what I did today was I still tried giving your audience new stocks that maybe, well, two, maybe you haven't heard of. Is
Um,
Starbucks.
why did it make your list of a potential growth play?
Yeah, so I want to be full transparent. Really last quarter ago, I was very bearish on food and beverage stocks from Kava to CMG to Sweet Green, kind of all that fast casual. And they all really tanked on earnings and haven't really bounced at all, despite the market, being up around 13% this year. So what was interesting is I had some Starbucks puts and I covered, and I noticed that that day, a trader bought about a month ago the Halloween, so October 31st, 78 puts. They went through the drive through at Starbucks and they said, give me some coffee. And they spent about $827,000 on the Halloween, October 31st, 82 calls, which is very, very unusual for a name like Starbucks because it just doesn't trade that much options per day. So I said to myself, and this was right near the 52-week lows because the stock is again going down. I said to myself, huh, that's very interesting. Why would this trader do this? And I thought, well, let's look at the risk versus reward. If everyone is negative on the company, where's the max pain? To the upside, because the shorts have to cover and the stock can rally. And I was looking a little bit too at the fundamentals. Remember, they just got their new CEO from the burrito stock, CMG. Could he really let the company continue to fall? Because his, behind is going to be on the line. And I thought, it makes sense of why the stock could bounce. And I think that could play a big turnaround in this quarter. So I'm actually bullish short term on Starbucks.